And finally, a caution. As you dismantle the personality and become more one with life, you will start to feel some disintegration of yourself. You will feel at times you are nothing and that you're losing your identity. Know that it's your personality you're losing, not your identity. Nothing you are or have will disappear. All that goes is the attachment, the identification with the things the personality calls me and mine. And that includes your most intimate and treasured notions of what life and love are about. For in the end I realize that nothing is mine, not even my own body. I'm behind it all, the being behind the mask in the bathroom mirror. Now back to the fable and the happy ending. It took many, many years, but in the end, the man in the mask tired of his miserable up and down existence. One day, he rested beside a lake in the forest. There he gazed into the transparent stillness of the water, and it reminded him of something deep within. I'm enjoying this, he reflected. But is that the joy, or am I the joy? I'm the joy, he cried, jumping to his feet. I'm the joy of life behind all I see. Then he gave thanks, and never looked for excitement again, for he'd found the secret of living joyously. Well, that's the end of the masquerade. The secret is joy. Joy is consciousness. Life is to be enjoyed, to be made conscious by enjoying it. When you enjoy doing anything, you are conscious. If you enjoy gardening, you're conscious while gardening. If you enjoy your work, you're conscious while working. Enjoy every moment of your life, and you're living joyously. It's as simple as that. Joy or consciousness is your natural state. It's always there. It's like the sun, always shining above the shadow of the earth. Stop living in your own shadow, and the sun, the joy, immediately shines. To find joy, nothing positive can be done. It's the practice of negation, shedding the shadow, that does it. Living joyously is the joy of clarity, no problems. My whole life is then a joy or clarity of being, or a being of joy and clarity. This is there now, inside you, just waiting to be lived. You don't have to strive for it, search for it, or make it. It's you. It's yours, your very being. And that's the happy ending.